If you crush black raspberries in a handkerchief, collect their seeds and plant them, then you'll have your own black raspberries at home. If you cut a potato in half and plant each half, then you'll have free potatoes for life. If you put a bread apple in soil and water it, then you'll have your own fir tree at home. If you take a pineapple head and soak it in water, then you can grow your own pineapples at home. If you take a passion fruit seed, put it in soil and water it, then you'll have free passion fruit for life. If you make holes in a plastic bottle, put soil in them, and place garlic cloves in them, then you'll have a garlic tree. If you cut a peach in half, plant half of it in soil and water it, then you'll be able to grow peaches at home. If you take a mango pit, put it in water overnight, then you can plant its seed and have a mango tree at home. If you cut the stalk of a celery plant and leave it to soak in water, then you can grow it again and again. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link in the bio, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.